We see healthcare, defense, and medical as being the higher margin markets. We've been in them previously, but much further down the tier process. And what we want to provide to our clients and our partners is a turnkey solution for them.
Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Simon Deacon, the CEO of Science Technologies. Simon, good to speak with you again. Does this contract represent expansion into a new market? Why are you expanding into this sector?
Morning, Stephen. It does. The order which has come through has been worked on for a while. They take their time, and it's in the healthcare sector, which is one of the reasons we want to go into this market, including defence and medical. But healthcare is a really strong growing market, and we want to support more blue chip companies. And to see this order come through, which could be worth 600,000 a year, just over, is really promising start as part of our progress to enter new markets.
What steps are required to convert this to an annual rolling contract?
It's really important with any client to make sure the service is there. And we've been very good over the last, the business has been going over 25 years, and we've got a really good rate of keeping clients and supporting clients. So it's making sure the service is there, the quality is there, and we work as partners. So they're not just, a customer to us. We are actually partnering with them to produce their products for the long term.
How does this contract support the strategic shift towards higher margin opportunities, Simon?
We see healthcare, defense, and medical as being the higher margin markets. We've been in them previously, but much further down the tier process. And what we want to provide to our clients and our partners is a turnkey solution for them. And so that we move up the tiers to be making their products for them. And that helps with our margin for the CEM division, but as well as the group.
Simon, how are you de-risking your CEM operations?
With de-risking it, we've been heavily involved in pest control for a very long time, and we continue to service that market as being one of our largest clients. But one of the key things is making sure we reduce the concentration level. And so we don't want to lose any revenue with our current clients. So it's a matter of building into new markets with new clients. And that's what we've achieved with this new contract win, and which has also improved the margin as well.
Can you tell us a bit more about your broader CEM capabilities?
Yeah, we have been investing for some time into new equipment, test equipment, also more energy efficient equipment. As you can appreciate, energy prices are going up, and so it's important for us to be energy efficient so we can be more competitive in the market. So we continue to do that and invest in equipment, which also helps us with our quality, but also the procedures and training of our staff here in the CEM division, so that we can provide those turnkey solutions for our clients and continue building that relationship.
Does this division produce products for other parts of the group?
It does. We produce an awful lot of product for our AgTech division. So we manufacture the sensor grow product at the contract electronics facility, which is really good, and also lighting products. And what we also want to move into is doing some products, technology products, for the fire side of our business, the passive fire side of our business. We make a lot in the contract electronics side for that market sector, if it be fire alarms or early warning systems. And that's what we want to provide also into our passive fire detection division. Now that we've acquired Injectaclad as a new acquisition, we want to, add extra product to those 11 installers.
How would you describe the opportunity for CEM in the remainder of the year?
Opportunity is good. We've been working for a long time with the strategy moving forward and moving into new markets with more possibilities and also more international opportunities. This current client in healthcare is an international blue chip company, supporting countries in Japan, providing products as an example. So we're looking, for worldwide opportunities, and we really do see growth in all three divisions that we have, including the CEM, to continue our growth in revenue for this year, but also improved margins.
Simon, I hope you'll continue to keep us updated with your progress. Thank you very much for speaking with us today.
Certainly will. Thank you very much for your time.
Simon Deacon, CEO of Light Science Technologies.